Welcome back. Old Goa is all set to host Goenche Saibache Fest on Tuesday. Most of the devotees from neighbouring states have reached the venue. Gates are guarded, stalls are up and thousands of more devotees and dignitaries are expected on the feast day. Have a look at the preparations of the feast.
Old Goa has worn a festival look. Goenche Saibache Fest will be celebrated on Tuesday. Number of devotees are expected to be part of celebrations. Noted bishops, politicians and other dignitaries will also witness the celebration. Heavy police force is deployed at the church entrance, the parking lot and other important venues. The metal detectors are fixed. Fire officers along with the fire tenders are also deployed at Old Goa.
It's well arranged. The many different committees have been formed and everything almost is in place. We are also expecting many dignitaries, both local and both civil and other dignitaries. The security arrangements are in place because we are expecting also the governor, the CM, and also the other politicians to be attend this feast mass, and so a lot of security has been in place. I personally gone out in the morning and I've seen a lot of security people manning the different points, especially all the parking lots and other points here which are sensitive.
Devotees from neighbouring state have already reached the church to attend the feast. Special masses in different languages were organized. People irrespective of religion attend the mass and be part of the feast celebrations.
जाय तो लोक न्हय क्रिस्तांवच पण हिंदू मुस्लिम लोक देखून येता. आता सद्याक भायर हे आता मीस चालू आहा कन्नडा भाशेन. तो लोक हिंगासान आयला ते नेसर्गी एक बेलगांव एक जावन आसा एक तालुका गांव पयस पण जाय तो लोक थिंगासर आयला चलून आयला थोडो बसीन आयला सुमार 300-400 लोक तांतले म्हाका दिसता फकत दोग तेग जाण क्रिश्चन आहात हे सगळे हिंदू लिंगायत.
Sushant Paul for Prudent.
Sabka Malik Ek Hai, a mega play created by Ishwar Darshan Trust will be staged at Circus Ground opposite Bodgeshwar Temple in Mapsa from 25th to 29 December. Play has over 180 artists and revenue generated through this Mahanatya will be donated to two charitable organizations, Keshav Seva Sadhana at Bicholi and Our Home at Bogmalu.
आणि हे महानाट्य आतापर्यंत महाराष्ट्रान आणि मध्य प्रदेशान वेगवेगळ्या जाग्यार जाला. 180 लोक आसाच पण सगळी टीम त्यांची जवळजवळ 200 लोकांची टीम आसा. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 डिसेंबर ह्या महिन्याच्या 5 दिसांनी हे नाटक बोडगेश्वर ग्राउंडार म्हापसा जातले. ते कारण घेवन आमी ईश्वर दर्शन ट्रस्ट केला. अश्यो बऱ्योच एक्टिविटी हेच्या नंतर सुद्धा आमकां आमचे करपाचो विचार आसा. आणि गोयचे आता हांगा सुद्धा 2 वेगवेगळ्या संस्थांक म्हणजे हेच्यात ह्या प्रयोगांसून मदत करपाचो आमचो विचार आसा आणि ज्यो सातत्यान काम करता. एक केशव स्मृती स्कूल फॉर हँडिकॅप भुरग्यां खातीर जे स्कूल बिचोली चालू आसा जे डॉक्टर कापडी चलयतात. आणि दुसरे बोगमालोज आणि जे सहसा कोणाक खबर ना अशें आवर होम म्हणून एक अनाथ म्हणजे जाणट्या लोकां खातीर ओल्ड एज होम आसा तेंच्या खातीर.
It is easy to change the law, but difficult to change society's mindset. This is what film star and Lok Sabha MP Jayaprada feels. She was speaking on the issue of atrocities against women. She visited Panji Mayor's office at the CCP on Monday. The 51-year-old film star is all set to contest Lok Sabha polls from UP, however did not disclose the party.
Only the law is not only the weapon to protect. Only the mental status also, society's mental status also has to be changed. I feel that one person should be punished very strictly and hang them till the death. I feel that this is maybe it is very harsh, and as an MP I should not pronounce this kind of a sentence. That is my feel. They should be scared if they touch they should be hanged and punished till the death. It is not a one case, there are so many cases are happening. Mayawati's tenure, people only scared about the corruption. But this time, Mulayam Singh's government, people are scared of their lives. There is no protection for the women, there is no protection for the child, there is no protection, lots of crime is happening, criminals are coming. There is no protection for the common people. At the same time, people, they say corruption is much better than people killing the people.
Jaya said she wished to contest from a native state, Andhra, but her deep-rooted bonds with the UP do not allow it.
So would you be there in the next upcoming Lok Sabha elections? Would you contest?
Actually, I thought that I should, my native place is Andhra. This time I wanted to go back, but the situation is, the division is very painful. At this juncture, I don't think so I can move to Andhra. So I thought I have to continue in UP, and I respect, because they made me twice MP, and out of love and affection, and of course I have done so much for this state.
Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.